Our players are known for kicking soccer balls around the pitch, but can they do it on the gridiron? Let's find out. Hey y'all, Bernadette here with Tormenta FC, and today we're at Paulson Stadium, home of Georgia Southern football. We have 3 Tormenta FC talents with us here today: Micaletto, Luca Mayr, and Pablo, Jara. The rules are simple. In the first round, our players will have 3 attempts from the 10-yard line, and they'll earn 1 point for every field goal made. In round 2, they will have 3 attempts from the 20-yard line, and they'll earn 3 points for every field goal made. And finally, in our third round, they will have 3 attempts from the 30-yard line, and they'll earn 5 points for every field goal made. Now let's get to it.
Alright, I'll go first. 1, 2, 3. 3. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, no? The least goes first, right? The least goes first. No. The least goes first. Go for the next one. Alright. That's why I went for 3.
Oh, goalkeeper starting.
Alright.
Shut up.
Woo! The last one's got more pressure.
Down the middle.
Easy money.
What do you mean no good? Too high.
Oh, I think what's out.
Jesus. Have you seen my left foot in soccer? Yeah. False start offense.
Hey, 1 step. Ready? 1 step. Oh my god.
No.
Vamos!
Yeah,
Out!
Easy money.
Yeah, good.
Yes, Pablo. Yes, Pablo.
Hey, what's that American football coach? The one for the New England Patriots.
The Paulson.
If you're watching.
Doing the old Jimmy Bullet. Yeah! I got it!
Hey, Billy boy, how about left foot? Alright? We're changing the game over here, Billy. What's that? Oh! Retake.
Oh! That was in all the way. That was in all the way. Like a football instead of a soccer ball.
Billy
I just need the camera to be on.
That's easy.
Oh! Crossbar! Oh, easy. Easy. You've got another 10 yards in you. Fucking hype. Whoa! Yes.
Boom.
Move us back.
American football back.
I don't think it gets any straighter, does it? I tell you what, I think that one was straighter than the first one.
That was absolutely class.
Marco takes the lead.
Look, we're playing a big game here, but at the end of the day, I'm surprised myself.
Probably.
I had to talk the big talk, but I didn't realise I was going to back it. All right. Hey, Billy boy, this one's for you again, all right? Left foot. I'm not on much. Come on! It's just all about hitting the ball down the middle of it, you know? You either have it, or you don't. Nothing else to be said, is it?